Hi, my name's Scott, and today I'm going to teach you how to change the Gemini Aero wheel caps for the cap replacements. The reason I'm switching my Aero covers out for the caps is because there's a horrific noise that the Tesla Model Y makes if you have the Gemini covers on. So this is the 19-inch Gemini wheel set on the Tesla Model Y, and you can kind of hear that noise that it makes when I press on this. When I'm driving around at slow speeds, if I have the windows down, I can hear it, but everybody around me can hear it. This particular Model Y does not have the pedestrian sound maker device, so this is kind of the sound maker device. According to a couple Reddit threads, people have talked about using different kinds of lubricant to prevent this noise from happening. Sounds like it's kind of all throughout. So I don't know if lubricant's actually going to help fix this. So that's why I've purchased the Aero wheel cap kit. I'm actually gonna take these guys off and basically leave them off for city driving, and then whenever I go on road trips, pop these back on. Easy. Then these will just get hung up on the wall, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these caps in. So the bottom of the T is supposed to point towards the valve stem. At least that's the idea. And that's it. And then these little guys pop in right over there. Oh, these go on pretty tight. Good tight fit. Looks good. I like it. So I know this was a short one, but thanks for watching. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
Okay, do it again after the car. After that car goes away.
And that's the problem with ICE cars these days.
You can actually leave that in there. That's actually kind of cool.